If you want to record audio with your Xiaomi Watch 5, what you need to do is you want to press the crown to open the list of apps, and then over here, if you scroll down, eventually you should be able to find the recorder app. So of course, we want to open it. Now in here, we can use this red button in order to start recording. At the back, we should be able to find the microphone, which seems to be this hole over here, and I believe there's one more somewhere. There's, I believe, the speaker as well, this white hole, but this dot that we have right next to the button is the microphone. Here we have the speaker, actually. There we go, here. Here is also another microphone. I'm not sure if you can see a little hole in here in this place, but this is also the microphone. I actually activated the air pressure by accident, but we should be able to return to the recorder. There we go, and we are still recording. You can also create those tags if you want to by just tapping on this tag. You can pause at any point and resume the recording, and you can tap on the check in order to save your recording. It's going to be synchronized with your phone as well. And at least I believe if you have a Xiaomi, Redmi or Poco smartphone, I'm not sure about other devices. And if you want, you can play your recording. You can just easily play it back. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.